Hey everybody, thanks for joining. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 RV accessories that we use. That's right, 5 that we use every time we go camping. And they have made life so much more enjoyable for us, and I know they will for you also. And at the end, I have a bonus one that we use every time we go camping that has made life easier for us on the road. So stay tuned. Okay, one of the top RV gadgets or accessories we bought and use all the time is this ice maker. It is absolutely a game changer. We do buy the purified water and in the bottle, and we pour it in there to make the ice cubes. And it makes, you can see it makes ice cubes. And we pour them in our cup. This ice that we would drink beverages with. The one thing about the ice makers, as I'm going to tell you, is the ice does melt. That way it doesn't clump together and get hard. And then it melts down below, then it recirculates and makes other ice cubes. We found this was a much better way than trying to make ice in a refrigerator here in the freezer part. Crack the cubes open because, be truthful, we got an 8-year-old grandson and he likes ice. And if we don't have some way to make ice automatically, then we don't have any ice. So anyway, I'll give more details on this ice maker, what we got from Amazon. This is going on our 3rd year with it, and it has been rock solid, no complaints. We installed a thermostatic shower valve faucet, which is this right here. This automatically regulates the water. It's got some ceramic discs in there to adjust the water temperature to the right temperature. So you just turn it on. I got the water turned off, but you turn it on, water comes out. Once the hot water hits it, it adjusts the water temperature to 104. The faucets that we had before down here, they were horrible. They were cheap. They wouldn't hold the temperature right. They tended to fluctuate. My wife and especially my grandson probably take a shower in them, and we'd be it's too hot, it's too cold, it's too cold, it's too hot. And he claimed he wasn't messing with them, but I'd believe him. It was never a steady water temperature for me. So this definitely makes life a lot easier and it's just awesome, and it just works. You don't have to mess with it. So anyway, it is a little challenging to install. The YouTube videos I saw and the instructions say it takes about 30 minutes. Well, that's YouTube time. It took me in reality about 2 hours time, not the 30 minutes YouTube time says. But anyway, it's definitely worth it, and it's worth a little bit of, it's a little more difficult of an install because you got some plumbing and you got to make sure it's not leaking. But it's just unscrew the old ones, get them all out, then put the new ones in. Everything screws. There's nothing additional that you need. But definitely a game changer. I'd recommend this to anybody that has a shower. Struts for your bed. I'm telling you what. The mattress that came with this Grand Design was horrible. It was not half as thick. Didn't weigh very much. Had to get a new mattress. Got a new mattress. Guess what happens? It's heavier. When it's heavier, guess what happens? The struts for the storage area underneath the bed don't have enough strength to help you lift and keep them up. So I added new strut, and my wife could not lift it up by herself. She just couldn't do it. It's a little cumbersome because the mattress sticks out. You got to reach underneath here to grab the board, the piece of plywood. So we got more powerful struts, and as you can see, I can do this with one hand now, where before it took me 2 hands. And now we can access the storage space underneath the bed. You see, there's a strut on each side. The ones that I bought, I was able to use the same brackets that were installed from the factory, so we're just popping those struts out and popping the new ones in. It's really an easy project. And so if you're looking for something easy, big bang for the buck, that's the way to go. Get those struts for the bed. Plus it holds it up. And it's easy to put down. it goes down well. Pull-out shelves. Can show you the pros and the cons. When my wife wanted one, I built this. It works. There's nothing wrong with it, except that it takes a lot of time to make, and it costs more than the wire shelves. So, but it does work. Allows you to get back and see everything. Asian zing, Buffalo Wild Wing sauce. But here's the way to go. These wire shelves, you order them from Amazon. You can see, once you pull it out, you can see everything. You got wire shelves, it helps dust and stuff and debris falls through. Where this falls, this one it gets stuck in there and you gotta vacuum it out. This one has it's a double shelf. Definitely a game changer. Easy to install, not very expensive, doubles your storage space. As we all know, storage space comes at a premium in an RV. This is one easy upgrade, one or hack, whatever you want to call it. I would definitely recommend this to anybody that's looking to make life a little bit more enjoyable in your RV. And it's easy and cheap and reliable. Okay, the next thing I did is I installed an additional shelf above the kitchen cabinet, above the kitchen sink. This right here. I just went down to Lowe's and bought a 6-foot wire shelf. They're lightweight. Put a little bit of lumber in there to hold it up in the front and the back. And it's lightweight. You can see through it. Air circulates through it. You can see what you got easily. You can see we're already using it. Double your storage space. And you don't have to do anything. Definitely a project I would recommend. Easy to do, reasonably priced. Double your storage space for nothing. Well, for a little bit, but cheap. Okay, bonus one. The bonus one I was talking about. You go down to Walmart and you buy this magnetic whiteboard, and it costs about 20 bucks. You come back out, you take the blackboard that's in here out, put it on, you measure it, you cut the whiteboard the same size, slide it back in, put on the screws, and you're done. Now you have the ability to write things down. We write down what we're going to eat, when we're going to eat, and the activities for the day. Makes life a lot easier. The only downside to it is the grandson now he can tell time, so he wants to know how come we're not eating at 1 o'clock or 12 noon. And I say, well, we got to get going on that, don't we? But that's definitely a game changer. It makes life easy, it's cheap, it's reliable, it works, and you can keep whatever information you want on here. You as time goes by, you're gonna make up your own. So anyway, that's what we got. I appreciate you watching the video. I hope these tips will make life a little easier for you and your spouse, or you and whoever as you're going down the road, going camping. It has made life a little more enjoyable for us. I'm retired. My wife's still working. I'm trying to figure out this YouTube. I tell you, I don't know it yet. Every day I learn something. The harder I try, it seems like the harder it gets. But anyway, if you appreciate the video and like these, please subscribe, and we hope to see you on the road. Oh, by the way, go Chiefs.